Hi, and welcome to today's Tech Tip. If you've ever done a worksheet with your students, you've probably typed in lines for the students to enter the answer to a question or other information. What I'm talking about is something like this, where you make underscores to create a line on which you want students to put the information. The problem with this is when the students click in that line to enter the information, it can break the line. And it also extends the line beyond, and sometimes it can change the formatting of the rest of the page if it jumps down to a second line. What I'm going to show you today is a way to make nice, neat text boxes using the table insert function. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go up here to my insert menu and select table. And I'm going to select a 2x1 table. The first thing I want to do is adjust my table here to fit the parameters of my text. I'm going to shrink that down a little bit. Now the second step I want to do is I want to get rid of the border around the name part. So I'm going to go to the pull down arrow here in the first table. I'm going to select this border, which is a border all the way around this particular cell. You see it highlights that border. I'm going to go up here to the border width function and select 0 point. That eliminates the border from around the text. Now you see it also eliminates this edge border from the cell in which I want to enter the information. So I'm going to fix that by clicking into that table, going to this pull down again, selecting the same border. I'm going back to my border width. This time I'm going to select 1 point as the size. And you see that re-enters that extra border. Now when the students click into that box, they can type in the information without there being any sort of adjustments to the line. You can use this same technique if you would like to create a text box for larger bodies of text. In this case, I'm just going to hit return below where I want below the instruction. I'm going to go to insert. This time my table is only going to be a single cell table or 1x1. And really at this point there's nothing left to do beyond change the size to accommodate what I think the text amount of text will be. Now the nice part of this is you can go ahead and enter your next question knowing that this has reserved that amount of space, and it'll keep your page nice and neat. However, if you have a student who puts in more text than is accommodated in this size box, the table automatically resizes to accommodate that text. That keeps the text nice and neat, makes it very easy to see where the answers are. I think this is a pretty useful little tip that'll make your worksheets a lot easier to read and a lot easier for the students to know where to enter the information. Hope this suggestion is helpful to you, and have a great day.